Hey everybody, it's Neil, and everybody likes Tide, so we got some Tide pods here. Figured I'd show you guys the box on these here. These ones here are the Power Pods with Botanical Rain. I can smell it, and it's got Febreze built into it, so it'll keep the stink away from stuff. It's good for when I'm out there working out, and I just stink sometimes, and so sometimes I wash with the clear and free stuff, free and clear, but sometimes I just need to get rid of some of the smell and overbearing it with some of these shirts and stuff that I wear. So sometimes it's nice to have a little bit of a smell to it. So these ones here are the Tide Pods, and remember, people used to do bad things with these, so we don't do that anymore. We use it to clean our clothes, people. So these are awesome Tide Pods, and this is a big box of them. It comes with 45 of them, so very good. So thumbs up from me on these. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.